All right, this is going to be the ballroom elevator at the Hilton Hotel in Tampa, Florida. 1983 or 81 Westinghouse. The main ones were modded by Schindler with cringe ovation, but not this one. Just listen to those dinner bells. Here's a view of the cab. Appears to be original aside from this carpet right here. Going down, Westinghouse interlock. Millar elevator. Let's go to 1. You can hear the relays. Oh wow, do I love that dinner bell. Three. Someone's gonna call it, so I'm just gonna take one more ride. I love that. I love that dinner bell. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. That's your call station. Anyways, there it goes. That's gonna be it.